Today we'll be unboxing the Scribble Ink Pen for drawing with ink on paper and other physical surfaces. It comes equipped with 3 different sizes of drawing tips so you can draw larger or smaller. There's a refillable ink cartridge that should be able to connect to an AI-powered mixer and dispenser that exactly recreates the color you have scanned. Each pen comes with an ink cartridge set and multiple tip options, including fiber, ballpoint, and marker tip. Here is the Scribble Ink Pen itself that we will be testing shortly. It comes with the ink cartridge set, 3 different tip options, and a micro USB cable for charging. Since the pen was not charged, I had to plug it into the micro USB cable it came with. After charging the Scribble Ink Pen, users can draw without connecting to a power source, because it has an internal rechargeable lithium-ion battery. To calibrate the color sensor, you press the pen against one of the white color pads, like I'm doing here. Calibrating the sensor before use ensures that any color you copy is reproduced for drawing. Once the pen beeps, that's when the calibration is complete. This should only take 10 to 12 seconds long. Here are the refilling ink cartridges. It comes with 4 ink cartridges and costs $25 for a new cartridge set. To put in the new ink cartridges, simply pop out the plastic capsule, then use the tweezers provided to pull the hole coverings out to inject the ink into the pen. After injecting all the ink cartridges into the pen, simply put back the hole covering the plastic capsule. Now it's time to test out the Scribble Ink Pen. I suggest using a tissue or a spare piece of paper to get rid of excess ink. This happens because the pen is new, but after a bit of use onto tissues or spare paper, it'll go away. We're going to test out the RGB color sensor with the color palette provided. First, we're going to try red. Simply hold the sensor up to the color you want to scan and press the button. You should hear a beep, then you'll see the light of the color you scanned inside of the pen. As you can see, the color of the ink is not immediately red, which may have been because of the excess ink. After a few seconds, the orange color finally changed to the red color that was scanned. Now we're going to try the blue color. After a couple of seconds, the color changed to blue. For the last color, we're going to try green. Again, it takes a couple of seconds of drawing to change color. The Scribble Ink Pen takes time to switch colors because the old ink needs to be flushed out. So our engineers are working to introduce a dedicated tip cleaner add-on that will flush the tip in 1 to 2 seconds and allow you to unleash your inner artist and paint instantly after scanning a color. What do you guys think of the Scribble Ink Pen? Comment down below and hit the subscribe button for more.